The first step in any party planning process involves choosing a color scheme. For a traditional tea party, consider soft pastels like blush pink, mint green, or lavender. If you're feeling adventurous, why not opt for a vibrant jewel-toned palette? Next, it's time to consider the table setting. Start with a vintage lace tablecloth to create a classic tea party atmosphere. Add an eclectic mix of teacups and saucers. Don't worry about matching sets. The variety adds charm and personality to the setting. Now let's talk about centerpieces. A floral arrangement can be a stunning focal point. Choose flowers that match your color scheme, and remember, they don't all have to be the same type. Mix roses with hydrangeas or peonies with daisies. You could also consider adding some ornamental bird cages or miniature fairy lights for that extra dash of magic. Moving on to the next step, the seating arrangement. Scatter some plush cushions on the chairs for added comfort. You could also drape some soft pastel-colored throws over the backs of the chairs for a cozy touch. Don't forget about the food display. Use multi-tiered cake stands to showcase the delectable treats. Arrange sandwiches, scones, and pastries on the lower tiers, and reserve the topmost tier for an eye-catching centerpiece like a beautifully iced cake. Another key element is the lighting. Hang strings of fairy lights overhead or place tea light candles in mason jars for a warm, inviting glow. Lastly, add some finishing touches. Think delicate paper butterfly cutouts fluttering around or an antique birdcage filled with flowers. Remember, it's all in the details. To recap, start with choosing a color scheme, then move on to the table setting, which includes a vintage lace tablecloth and a diverse range of teacups and saucers. Create a captivating centerpiece with a floral arrangement, bird cages, or fairy lights. Consider the seating arrangement, remembering to add cushions for comfort. Display the food on multi-tiered cake stands and create a warm ambiance with fairy lights or candles. Finally, add those special finishing touches to make the tea party uniquely yours. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating a tea party that's not only visually stunning but also full of charm and personality. Remember, the key to a successful tea party lies in the details, the ambiance, and of course the tea. Happy planning!